Alright, we're gonna start up the 95 1-ton. About 30 degrees out today, about roughly upper 30s. It's been sitting for a while though. Look at the door shake. It's such a rough starter, and it's a smoky one. This thing literally has like the best diesel cold starts. Some of the best ones. '95 1-ton with the Detroit 6.5 Detroit, or no, 6.5 diesel in it. 3500. She's got the old 6.5 in her. Alright, stay tuned for more cold starts. Peace out. Leave a like to help the algorithm. Drop a comment down below and smash that subscribe button. Thanks for tuning in.